Hi. If you want to test your Figma prototype with UXtweak, one of the ways you can do so is by pasting your Figma prototype link into your UXtweak prototype testing study. It's a good way to test smaller prototypes. However, for bigger prototypes with multiple flows, sections, and external elements, we advise using our UXtweak prototype usability testing plugin. Now, let's go through the process of creating a Figma prototype link for your study. Right now, we are in the UXtweak prototype testing study setup in the Designs tab. To import the prototype, we have to create a Figma prototype link for the test. From the study setup, go to your Figma dashboard. Find the file with the Figma prototype you would like to test and open it. In our example, we are going to test this prototype, so we'll create a Figma prototype link for it. To get the prototype link, find the blue Share button in the right-hand corner at the top of your screen. Click on it. You see a pop-up window with the Copy Link button and Prototype Access settings. Make sure that your prototype file is set to Can be viewed by anyone, so your participants can access your prototype during the study. Now, click on the Copy Link button. You should see a link copied message right after. By the way, with UXtweak, it does not matter whether you are using design or prototype mode in Figma to copy the prototype link. Now, it's time to go back to the study setup. In the Designs tab, on the right-hand side, find the Import options. Check that you have Import with Figma link selected. Paste your link in the field below and select Import. If this is your first prototype testing study in UXtweak, you will then be redirected to the following page in Figma. Please allow UXtweak access to your Figma files so we can process and import your Figma prototypes. If you've already used UXtweak prototype testing to test your Figma prototypes, you will not see this step. After you allow UXtweak access to your Figma files, you will be redirected back to the study setup. Please choose the page from your Figma file that contains the prototype you'd like to test and import it. You will see a progress bar while the prototype is being uploaded. Please, do not leave or refresh this page during the import process and allow UXtweak to finish it. When the import process is finished, you will see your prototype in the preview section. You can now interact with it to see the prototype frames, unlink the prototype from your study, or synchronize it if you've made any changes after the import. There we go! We have successfully created a Figma link and imported the prototype into the prototype testing study.